Welcome to Techaly tutorial. If you are looking for the fastest way to learn coding and land a high-paying job, you are in the right place. Make sure to watch this video till the end because we will break down the exact skills, learning paths, and career tips to kickstart your journey in the tech. Let's get started. Why coding? Coding is not just a skill; it's a superpower in the today world. Companies in every industry need a developer, and jobs in the tech offer some the highest paying globally. The best part, you don't need a formal degree to enter in the field anymore. Your skill matter the most. Step 1. Start with beginner friendly language that is called HTML and CSS, which provide creating a web page, and that is also foundation of web development. Then you can go to the JavaScript if you want to make your website interactive. Then coming to other programming language, that is the Python, one of the easiest language to learn and great for the data scientists, automation and backend development. And then second step is build a real project. Once you know the basic, start building real project. Means the if you aware of the all the coding stuff, then you can start building the real project. This is where you can gain confidence and hands-on experience. So then coming to the once you get this, you need to build a portfolio using a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then you can build a similar kind of a small apps like a budget tracker to do your to do kind of apps using Python or JavaScript. And also you can get more project idea from the this tool like a free code cam, front mentor, front end mentors, and also Google, YouTube, lot of places this kind of a small kind of project available you can patch and then you can start building your own. Third step is learning in demand a skill for the high salary. Means you need to find which skill is easy to learn and paying good jobs. So full stack development is a very more focus and give the great package in this industry. So you need to understand the React kind of front end technology using JavaScript. Okay, and if you want to go in back side, you need to understand Python or Node.js. Then cloud technology also you can go gain the expertise about AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and understand how they are working, how they are industry are using, how they are inside there are a lot of tools there, how you can use and all that. So and then DevOps tool also you can learn like using Jenkins, Kubernetes, Docker. Then data science and machine learning, where lot of library you need to understand on the Python based library like NumPy, pandas, TensorFlow. So these are the major library there. And if you are looking this kind of technology where you can find resources and all, so there are platform there like Udemy, Coursera, YouTube, and in Udemy and Coursera very affordable price. All the courses are available. But if you are looking like a totally free, you can go YouTube. Lot of tutorial available. Then fourth step, I'm talking about master problem solving for the interview. That is our more focus. A step is there where you need to focus on the problem solving skill. How you can start problem solving in the sense, it means I will going to give a simple example. You are a developer and I want you to build a one application which application track my day to day routine. So how you can solve that problem? So that is called a problem solving. Once you are able to solve that problem, then you need to understand how I can start writing code for that. So for that we need to learn the DSA, that is called data structure and algorithm. Okay, where you can learn some algorithm and data structure concept like a array, linked list, how array it will work, how linked list it will work, how tree and graph you can use in your codes and give better readability on the code. Okay, and your application work in a smooth way. So learning these things, you can use platform like Lead Code, HackerRank, Code4, and do more practice about that. So if you do more practice with consistency, you able to achieve your goal. So that is a more consistency is the main goal for the achieving any kind of role in the software industry. Okay, so consistency not only in the DSA, you need to focus on your coding part. You need to focus on the a specific tool which you are going to use for write a code and deploy the code, and then DSA. So these three things you need to understand. Here no need to do the 4 years course and all. Okay, if you spend around 3 to 4 months tightly with consistency, whatever time you are going to give each and every day, if you are going to give same time within 3 to 4 months, after 3 to 4 months means once you complete your course and everything, then definitely you will land a job where you can you know that is called the our fifth step, that is build the strong portfolio and network. Means whatever you have created, that you need to post in GitHub profile. Means create a GitHub profile and showcase your work. Means whatever a small project or big project you have done, you can push in a GitHub profile. And also you can contribute open source project, lot of available in the GitHub. So where you can write your clean and professional resume. So people will able to see if they want similar kind of candidate, they will call you, contact you over the email. And also you can build connection through the LinkedIn, attend some tech meetup, webinar. So where you can meet with people and share with your knowledge, a skill with them. If they like it, if they are finding similar kind of candidate, definitely they will connect with you. And Naukri is also there where you can upload your resume and all. So now you know how to fast track your coding journey and get job in tech. But remember, earlier also I mentioned consistency is the key to success. So if you enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friend, and help them kickstart their career too.